Morning, people. Today we're out doing some kind of road trip. I've got a very anxious Paris with me. She is stressed, let me tell you. But I'm following her lead today. See where she takes us. Made me rush my breakfast. I was enjoying myself.
I don't know what I said. Hello, are you? I'm just texting to inquire if you're on your way. Should I just say, would you just let me know that when you're here? Or is that
yeah, that sounds a bit needy.
Yeah, because I'm having crazy. Mom, you know what my mom would say to me? She'd go, hurry the fuck up. Yeah, but we was in the fucking thing, so it's past 55.
Well,
let me just ask these men if someone can.
Yes.
We already booked it. Did it come already?
Yes, it come, but it's good.
It went already?
Yes, it's good.
What time?
I think. I don't want to get a puzzle. You book online?
Yeah, get your bag.
Book online. At what time pick up exactly?
I texted him.
At what time?
He said he's on his way, but I'm just saying because we were.
What time exactly pick up?
He said 57:55, but he hasn't been here yet.
7:45.
Yeah.
Well, you
What time was it? Did they come?
Camille or it is at 7:48 time. Yeah, not far.
So is that another one?
Now can you tell her to ask?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Can you tell him your agent if you have another one or not?
okay, let's go inside.
No, because if they don't come, I'm gonna be pissed off. This is gonna piss me off.
I feel like I should be saying something to comfort you.
No, don't say anything. Because they just said something 7:40 we came.
It might be not them.
Are you gonna say I got scammed?
No,
I probably did. Good for it.
I'm saying.
But I didn't, because there was like 8,000 reviews.
I'm saying there could be multiple trips. Yeah, I got that all on video too. Oh, man said she's stressed. Okay, now don't want. Should have had that breakfast. It's alright, man. It's not that deep.
No, it is that deep. I'm not gonna lie. I will plan a holiday again, but I just feel like it's really, really.
I feel like next time you should let me help you.
You don't even know what you're fucking talking about. Baby, you literally would have done the same thing as me. I literally went through legitimate things. I don't know what happened. It just fucked up. The only thing that messed up was the. Can that be ours? Oh no, that's not ours. Oh, please. God, I just want to move it.
That boy.
I think that's it. Let that be it. Oh, it's
What about yoga, lads? Finally in the bus. Yeah, you better. God, throw right into ruin our day. Pit stop. Open your eyes.
My glasses has like a makeup line. Let's go in there and buy a drink.
What's that pink thing on your cheek?
I actually don't know. I put it. Tell me when it's gone. Is it still there? Is it still there?
No.
Is it gone?
Oh, I got M&M's.
What do you want?
This actually looks like a proper English thing.
When does it still there? Show me on the camera. Should we get some water? Should we get a big bottle or should we get 2 bottles? Okay. chill.
Get one big.
Yeah, one. Should we get it? Yeah. Get me one as well. Hold on. Is this nice?
Probably tastes like 7 Up, innit?
Okay, well, let me get my phone out because I need to do the convert. Are you going to go to the toilet?
Lemon Miranda. Who thought we would find something like this? Sleeping.
Yeah.
I don't care, and I'll sleep anyway.
But me and the was talking and was laughing because you were like this. He's like, he's tired. I'm like, I know, I dragged him. He's like, you dragging him around everywhere? I'm like, he's not very, I was like, normally, I was telling him, I was like, normally he knows, I planned everything, so I wanted to be on time and everything. And he's like, oh, I decided, yeah.
See, I told you 7:55, no point. The guy came at like 8:05.
I know.
I told you it would be calm, man.
Okay, but this is a pink still on my face.
Turn around. Other way. It's gone. It's been blended.
I think it was blusher, but I didn't rub it in because I was rushing.
Yeah, it just looked like a pink blob.
Thank you for telling me. I wasted a cigarette. I didn't buy it.
I can't lie. See, that freshie behind us, her voice is jarring.
Huh?
The freshie behind us, her voice is jarring.
Oh, the Asian one.
Yeah.
No, she had posh kids though.
Yeah.
I think she brought up her kids in UK. Yeah. All her kids were. I was listening. Her kids are all like.
That was too. It made me go to sleep.
Okay, I'm feeling a bit relaxed now.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Time to go.
It was a joke, but I think that first reaction.
About to head out. Started.
I'm glad we had to stop. Good guy. Look at Subhan's outfit, guys. Look. He's got his backpack. Right now we're just walking through the.
I thought it would be hotter.
Huh?
I thought it would be hotter.
Yeah, but I thought it'd be hotter.
Yeah, no, it's just hot in the bus. Because we're sitting in the front of it.
So now, guys, we're going on our little tour to the Ouzoud Waterfalls. And
This is the waterfall. Made in China. Works for one night and you throw it away. The Alibaba version.
he's planning to fart. I said fart now because no one's behind him. And yeah, did you do it?
No. It is what it is, you know what I mean?
Yeah. They're so American in front of us. They sound so American. Like, alright, dude. Yeah, they're like, they don't like just after college, group of boys met each other. Now we're gonna travel around again.
They're on sponsors.
Yeah, 100. It's so lovely though. This is so fucking. I don't know if I should start snapping now or
Let's snap it all.
wait till I get to the.
Yeah. Save your battery.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll be honest, right now there's nothing to snap.
Okay. We're just enjoying. Can we have a little fruit to keep us going?
Do you need a little fruit?
Yeah. I'm gonna get you one.
Yeah, did you close my bag? Is it done?
Banana. Share banana.
I don't want a banana.
What?
You're gonna give it to me anyways, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we've got to keep our momentum up. What?
Yeah, the taxi driver that was by
I bet you didn't even know what I said.
No. I realised that was in French.
Yeah, I failed French in school.
Did you?
Yes, I picked German.
Did you pass it?
No, I failed German too. I got a D.
I failed Spanish.
Inside there is a steaming room that goes to 120 degrees with the steam. This is sauna. In Marrakesh you have seen a lot of hammams for massage. This is not specific hammams for Morocco. This is different for tourists, but for sure this is familial hammam. If you would like to share local hammams in Marrakesh, you can go to 5 rooms. The first room, the room for changing, the second 10 degrees, and the last one 120 degrees. When you have done a very hard work for like one day, you go 10 minutes, it's like you have never been worked, because it gets a special positive energy, and it gets away the negative energy from your body by using the sauna. So we find it from here. This is a traditional house from outside to inside. It has 70 centimeters. Why? When it's cold outside, it's hot inside. When it's hot outside, it's cold inside. And for the holes, you know why the holes on the walls? In Marrakesh, you have seen too many holes in the Medina. Why?
What, birds?
No, for birds, no. No, this is for scaffolding in English. It's a kind of scaffolding because they use the woods in order to move from one level to second level to build the house, okay? I will give you more information. Just come here, please, first. Come, so go here, please, inside. He's going to explain for you something important. Go to hear some special information about cooperative. Je vous explique un peu.
Oil on the cooperative, argan oil for to eat and argan oil for your skin. Cosmetic, alimentaire. Look, this is just argan fruit. This is the fruit of argan. Argan fruit is this, yeah. Look, this is argan fruit. The fruit of argan. Argan fruit is this, yeah. Argan tree in the picture, this is argan tree. Look, it's different on the tree you live realmente. And the cooperative woman, look, can you prove this to give skin? On side is this. This is argan. Yeah. Can you give skin? On side is this. This is argan. Look. Can you give skin? On side is this. This is argan.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is argan. After, can you break this one by one? Look. On side is almonds. This is almonds argan. This is good for pepper diabetic. Just one in the morning is better. And eating just one for day is different on the almonds. This is better. On the cooperative, this is for cosmetic stuff, for argan or cosmetic, for the hair, for the skin, for face, for massages. This is for cosmetic, for the face, for the hair, for the skin. Using this salad, couscous, tagine is this. It's roasted. This side, just this is roasted. This is not roasted for to eat for the skin. This is roasted for argan or for to eat. This is cosmetics for the hair, for the skin, for the face. Look, and roasted for to eat. After, can you make almond hair? The picture can you change this? La part is here, give a little bit water malax, After, can you press this? Look, can you press and you make hair? And you make hair. On the water all separate. This is argan oil for to eat. No for the skin, for to eat. Look, this is argan oil for to eat. On the rest is good for black soup, for hammam, for shower. Black soup is from this, for the skin, for hammam, for shower. So, this is for soup, this is for fire, and the bread on the hammam. This is for animals. Goats can eat in the skin for animals. This is for animals. Okay, good? You understand? Yeah. Welcome. Can you take picture? Roasted, no roasted. No for cooking. After cooking, no for cooking. And the pure honey, Berber Nutella. Nutella is mixed argan oil and honey and almonds. Pure saffron. Cream for face. This is pure. This is different perfume, different smell. Smell on the roses and almond, jasmine, lavender. For anti-ridge, for anti-age, anti-cell. This is for clear black eyes. Anti-psoriasis, eczema, acne, face mask, black soup for hammer for shower, cream mask for the hair, different shampoos, shower gel, hair conditioner. I just normal one, different perfume, different smell. Just different perfume, and the musk, just perfume, no soap. Just perfume. Can you make on the house on your counter? Just perfume. This is just perfume. That's all. That's perfume. And this for eyeliner, casual. For eyeliner, you call for eyeliner. Can you make a little bit here? And after this, maquillage for eyeliner. And the magic lipstick is green change color. Give me hand. Yes, it's magic. Look, can you change the color? And the magic lipstick.
That's crazy. I said it was green, but it was pink. Yeah.
Did you want to get any gifts?
Yeah. How do you feel so far?
Good.
What was the
I'm
tour
liking the
saying?
aesthetics of the tour, very like authentic Morocco. That's what I really wanted today. I wanted to really have a day of seeing the authenticness of Morocco. You know, the buildings and the architecture and the mountains. Come with me, let me show you. Like a style building that would be in Morocco. And what did he say this was? The man said,
Sauna.
this is a
Let's go.
Sir, this way. Happy? How are you?
Oh, we're good, we're good.
Where is he now?
London, Pakistan.
Sweet as a nut. British. I have a barrel of water.
Can you do a British accent?
I have a barrel of water. In it,
It's quite good.
in it, mate.
In it, babe.
I got it.
That's peak because I actually talk like that.
I know. You talk like him. You sound like him. That's how he talks.
How do you find Morocco? Nice?
Very
Yeah.
lovely.
Do it on your own. It's better when you do it with a tour guide than on your own.
Yeah.
We have to be a little bit faster because I think it's gonna rain.
Oh,
Continue
okay.
coming. Just continue one way.
well, it's not looking good, bro.
No, right?
And they warn you that it's going to rain.
It's not good, sir.
It's not a good sign. Do you remember when we were on our way to Scotland
Yeah. Oh my god.
and that part was too wet? Yeah,
Oh, the smell of the air smells so nice. This how it smells in Pakistan. Like this one. Does
no,
it not?
Pakistan just smells like shit. I'm not even joking. As
Oh,
soon
no,
as,
they have things like that.
because it's so earthy and humid. Yeah, it just smells like. It actually just smells like shit.
Yeah.
But it's still a very beautiful country, and the people are so friendly. When you're like a foreigner and you go to someone's restaurant, they won't even take money from you. They just,
Look at this. Babe, should we get you one of these? I don't know. Should I get you one?
I don't know. They probably
No,
won't.
the bags are so cheap.
Right side, please.
Right, so it's peak because I don't know my left and right.
It's deep because he doesn't want us to buy stuff from them.
Right and left. Alright. Czech Republic, my lady. One moment. If you know these fruits, free tip. Don't give me a tip. Who knows?
Snappy? Edamame?
Is it green bean?
Beans comes from a plant, not from a tree. So my lady, Lucas, African Lucas beans plants, we eat them tagines here. This is very special. Can you free the way? This is special for chocolates. This is special for chocolates. Instead of using cacao powder, we use carob powder for chocolates. This is carob. Have you heard about carob? Okay, come I show you. I explain. Come I show you. I explain for you. Mr. Google is better than me. CD, we call him CD Google. He's CD. Look, this is carob cookies with carob chips are similar to chocolate chip cookies or carob candy. Looks like chocolate. We continue down. I give you the. We continue. On va continuer la France. Allez la France. Allez les bleus. Allez les bleus. On va gagner la médaille d'or. It's also used for diarrhea. Yeah, we continue.
Yeah. That means don't fall down. If you fell down, it'll be kind of awkward. I have to carry on my day without you. But the good thing is,
Make your choice, live or die. It's Africa. Go straight. See what I see. Live or die. Choose. See what I see. Here is Neo. In many countries, like in United States, with ice. In Morocco, with the limestone, a key. 1 centimeter of this to be formed, it's 1 million. 1 centimeter, honestly, 1 million years. Second terraformation, 60 millimeters. All this are waterfall. Used to be impossible to walk down this way. You can see the waterfall from the top or from the front, similar to Victoria Falls. Berber people, they planted the trees to stop the erosion and made all these trails for walking down there. That's been created in 75 years now. Until we reach the Gogo, we go straight down.
shit. Just a casual fucking donkey walking past. Jeez. And I gotta use the toilet now. Oh shit. God damn.
Guys, we're here at the waterfall now. This is the Ouzoud Waterfall. Finally made it. Are you ready to see it? Because this is beautiful. Look at that.
That is tight.
That is stunning. Oh, we need to get a picture. There together.
Sorry, let's go, my happy group Africanos. Follow me, followers, subscribers.
Oh God.
Followers, follow me. Subscribers, subscribe for me. Share, comment. If you don't like it, destroy. If you don't like it, keep it away.
Oh my God, my phone, I need my phone.
Okay, okay.
I'm sorry, I'm getting to do it. I need to snap this.
إذا محمد إذا محمد يا غلغل ارنا دي ندير من البلوكه باش نغور
Subhan!
How close can you get with the sky?
really hot.
And now we've got Paris doing some henna tattoos. Yeah, over there, the seaside. English. How do you feel? You look.
I'm happy. I really enjoyed today.
You look tired.
I'm tired. Can you tell?
You're very.
I feel like. That is nice.
Please explain to people who don't understand slang what you meant by bad.
Oh, is it good?
Yeah, she
That's
does.
real good.
She does a reversed.
It's very peppery.
Yeah.
The bread now.
It's fresh.
I'm definitely coming back to Morocco. I'm gonna home my uncle, Rio, he popped up to my snap, and he was like, where the hell are you? And I was like, Morocco. And he was like, it's really nice there. Actually, I won't tell you that. That is a great question. Imagine if I could just told you the fucking hand I shit with.
So it's your right hand. That's what you're telling me. If you told me the left hand, fine.
No.
But you eat with the hand that you shit.
No.
Is that what you're telling me?
I don't eat with the hand I shit.
That's
I
cool.
can't, like, when you do you, like, you know when you're shit,
Yeah.
do you like wipe from the front or wipe from the back?
We don't wipe. We use.
This is Subhan. All trip, literally, nothing's phased him but food.
Nah, no way. There's cats begging.
I'm sorry, cat. Look, but the only thing is we have a begging cats around us. We don't like that. They're beautiful though. We have lunch with a bloody view. Look at that. Babe, are you speechless? You know who would really love coming here? Ivan. For the food and all the tastings. You should come here with Ivan. You know Ivan.
Oh, please.
Fucking hell, mate.
She was telling me to do the other side.
No, I think she was telling you to cover because it's raining.
Oh. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, do it like this.
Yes.
Oh.
Because it's raining.
I didn't understand what she meant.
Huh?
I was like, what is she talking about?
It's alright.
Why are you scared?
This is bigger than I expected.
Just to let you know, if the battery dies, if the battery dies on the camera, you might not see the rest of
Oh yeah.
our adventure. But the day's not finished, so see you.
Yeah.
Finally, we made it here. I'm about to get on our coach. Paris has gone to go wipe her makeup that started melting off. Been a tiring day. Just can't wait to go back to the flat now. No, but here's the part where we literally got stopped by the police.
You would be so calm about it as well.
Yeah, but
We're just tourists, isn't it?
we can find something like okay, McDonald's वगैरह होता पास में
Put this in bed.